Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to our science class. I am your science teacher from United Public School Tandur. Today we are going to start our next topic in science, flow of energy in living things. Okay, flow of energy in living things. So plants make their food in leaves, and there will be their food, and they get energy from that. Okay, likewise when we eat something, fruits, vegetables and meats, eggs, milk, whatever we use in our daily diet, we will get the energy. Now how its flow, today we are going to discuss about that. Okay, so we need energy to talk, run, play, for other activities. So we need energy now. So if we are not eating food from last few days, you can work? No, no. You can talk. You do not have energy. You cannot do anything. Okay. We need energy to talk, run, play, to write, to do any other activities. Okay, this energy comes from food. How can we get energy? We get energy from food. During photosynthesis, green plants absorb the sun's energy to make food. So during photosynthesis, the green leaves takes energy from sun and absorb the energy. This energy is passed on the animals and human being when they eat plants. So you can see here, sun gives energy to plants, and plants give energy to the herbivorous animals who eat only the herbs. Herbs means plants. Okay. And the herbivores will be eaten by carnivores. The animals who eat the animals, it's known as carnivores. No? So like this, the energy flow through sun to plant, plant to animal, and animal to other animal. This process is known as the food chain. Okay. In the nature, all of us we depend on each other. Okay. Next, interdependence of plants, animals and human being. Animals and human being need food to eat and oxygen to breathe. Every human being, animals need energy and oxygen to live in the earth. Okay, they get this from plants. Where we get this all those things from? Plants. Thus animals and human being dependent on plants. So we dependent on plants. Plants also dependent on animals and human beings. Plants also dependent on animals and human beings. Plants need carbon dioxide to prepare food. We need oxygen. Plants need carbon dioxide. We breathe out carbon dioxide, and plant breathe out oxygen. So that the oxygen taken, who take oxygen? We human beings and animals take oxygen, and carbon dioxide is taken by plants. So they get it from animals and human beings who breathe out carbon dioxide. So in the nature, balance in the nature. How is the balance? How was the balance in the nature? Plants and animals depend on us, and we are dependent on them. So like this, the balance in nature. Balance in nature, what will happen if there were fewer plants than animals and human beings? Okay, oxygen and food from plants will not be enough for all the animals and human being. In the some way, if there are fewer animals and human being then plants, and the carbon dioxide given out by them will not be enough for plants to prepare food. Thus a balance between the various living things in every important for life on the earth. The maintain this balance, we have to maintain this balance, we have to protect both animals and plants. Under wildlife protection program, wild animals are given special protection in reserve forest and sanctuaries. Programs such as Vana Mahotsav, Vana Mahotsav, that means the celebration of trees. Okay, promote the. So student, like this Vana Mahotsav and Haritaharam and other program like Mission Kakatiya, Bhagirath, like this program we have to attend to protect our nature. And how can we protect our nature by them? Okay, so plants need us, and we plants and animals need us. Okay, and we also need of them. So we have to protect the animals and the plants and our nature, and we have to make the nature clean, so then can we also live in earth very happily. Okay, so student, your homework is take the correct answer. Okay, we have completed our chapter. First one, the veins of a leaf carry. What they carry, ma? Chlorophyll, oxygen, water and mineral. What they work? Yes, they pass the water and minerals through the leaves, na? So option C is the correct. Next one, air enters a plant through the stomata present on its. Where is the stomata, ma? Stomata lives in a flower, leaf, a fruit. Yes, leaves. So stomata lives in leaf. Okay, stomata is in leaves, not in fruit or flower. Okay. Third one, which of these is a non-green plant? Which of this among these all, which plant is not have a green color leaves? Okay, green color. Okay, mushroom, neem, cactus. Mushroom, we see na? Yes. Fourth one, Vana Mahotsav helps to save. Vana Mahotsav is a program of celebration of trees, na? So trees. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to write with your neat handwriting and submit in the group. Okay, thank you.